Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song. A beautiful melody. When the night's so long, but there is no guarantee. Today's the life is eating and mine. World is falling apart when there's no way to break up the fall. That's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. When I look at you, I see forgiveness. I see the truth. You love me for who I am. Like the stars hold the moon, right there where they belong. And I know I'm not alone, you and my world is falling apart when there's no light to break up the dark. That's when I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like a kaleidoscope colors that cover me. All I need, every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful? Yeah, yeah. When I'm loading the shore again, find my way home anymore. That's what I look at you. I look at you. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. You feel just like a breeze to me. Nej! Хорошо?